Okay, today we will put dual stop molding. As you can see, first you install the door. After that, you install the lock and the latch. Okay, and then this is where it's gonna stop. Okay. And as you can see, if you're without it, you go further. Okay, you go further than that. So you want to stop right there. And how you want to cut it, as you can see, I cut a 45-degree angle here. So we go cut it all around it. Okay, I mean cutting all around it. And this is the door. This is the door stop design look like. So basically, what you want to do, start it you put it this way. So now, why the door is shut, you have to shut the door so you know where it needs to stop. Okay, as you can see, right flush. What you do, shoot it in. Oh. See, nice and flush against it. So we'll shoot it in. Now you're going to put it on the top piece. Same way. Okay, and after that, any edges, any nail hole, don't cock it. Okay. Okay. So to do a trim lock. Okay. Right after installation. Okay. See. Now it doesn't go anywhere beyond that. Okay. Nice and tight. As you can see, no gap, no nothing. It's because after you install a door, install a lock, latches and that, and then you close the door before you install the stopper. Okay? Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.